Field Marshal, proactive as he is, has the mind always alert, focused on issues very sharply. This project he raised last year. Rest is history. And Alhamdulillah today, through a great teamwork, led by obviously former chairman privatization, Mr. Aleem Khan, and Secretary Commerce and other team members, again at that point in time fully strategically supported by the Field Marshal, and now led by Mr. Muhammad Ali. I don't know him from Adams. I met him first time last year. I think he's an excellent choice for this purpose, and he has seamlessly clinched this issue with his counterparts, and very ably supported by Deputy Prime Minister, who is head of this committee. Today we witness signing ceremony